Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a few hairstyles that I love to do. They're just my go-to hairstyles and I feel like they're super easy for going to school, going to work, going to, on a date, going out, just for any occasion. They're super cute and like I said, since it's for every occasion, like they're just super easy. Literally if you're going to the gym and you want to, or not the gym, but like if you're going out somewhere casual and you just want to look put together, like I have a hairstyle for that. Literally anything that you need. These are really good go-to hairstyles that I found that I love, and for different occasions they work perfectly. So if you want to see how I achieved all of those, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first look, I'm going to say what I like each for. I mean, obviously I use them for a bunch of different like occasions, but obviously when my hair is straight, you can even do like this is super basic of course, but just taking the front pieces of your hair and doing a super like slick look, because this is just super classic, and then you just have your hair straight. So just put it behind your ears and just have, cute earrings or something, and you have a nice sleek look. Super simple. And then my next look that I like, of course you could switch your hair over to like however you like, your part. This is my more like everyday, like when my hair is straight, casual, just basic, but we're not going to really get into that one because that's obviously super simple. The next look that I like to use involves getting a clip, so I use just this big white clip. I've been loving this look lately because it takes like not long at all, and usually like if I'm in a rush for school or I'm just going out somewhere and I feel like my hair is not cooperating with me, the easiest thing for me to do is this. And I also just like to do this even on my curly hair. But I just take with my hands first these pieces up here and I just drag it to meet each other like this, and then I'll take the clip and put it together, and I don't put it too tightly so that it gives it like room to breathe. Super simple. And then usually on my curly hair I'll like curl these pieces, but with straight hair it's fine. You just leave a little bit of pieces out. Super simple. It gives you like that like half up half down look, but just with a clip. And I love having just pieces of hair fall out so it looks a little more like I didn't try as hard. And so that is my other look for you guys. Okay, alright, so moving on, another look that I like that is actually like my half up half down go-to look. I'm going to take a hair tie, and I usually go kind of where like my eyebrows are, like this, and I just go up. Hold on, I actually go a little bit higher actually, but near my eyebrows, like near like where the arc starts, I guess you could say. And I go up. It depends. A lot of people like their half up half downs a little different, more like halfway, more like down here. But I've just played around with it a bunch of times and found what I think looks best on me or what I like better. And so I'm just gonna grab these pieces . Alright, now I take the hair tie and I go and tie it, obviously. And then when it's at the top, I just give it like a little tug. And so this is the next look. It's super cute and super simple. And I love this look. It's so cute. I love it. And another thing you can do, which I also think is really cute is you can go in and curl your hair and have it like this. Like this works for like every, like curly, straight, curled with like a curling wand. That'll look really cute. So I just love this look also. And like you could like take down any little pieces as well from up here, like your little baby hairs are sticking out, like it's fine because it's still super effortless. And I really like this one. Alright, now let's take it down. Alright, and so the next look is actually going to be up, all of it. It's going to be a ponytail, but it's going to be a high ponytail. So I always like to bend down just so it gets all my hair like perfectly. And what I like to do for this type of look is when I am like putting it in the ponytail, I like to leave, I don't really know how to describe it, like I kind of make it so it's like loose, like you see how it's not as like tight. I leave it a little loose because it gives it that like effortless look to it as well. So I don't go too tight with this one because this is more of like a casual ponytail. So I take it and then I just tug, and it looks like, you see how it's not so tight, it gives it that like super simple and effortless look. Like I said, if you want to do this like when you're going out somewhere super casual of running errands but you still want to look semi put together and you want to throw your hair up, this is the type of look I would do or go for, because it looks like I tried but like took me like 2 seconds. And yeah. Excuse me. Alright, now the next ponytail is going to be more of like, I guess you could say like a classy ponytail, because a lot of people do like to wear like, their hair up and have like a classier look. So that's when it needs to be more tight. So same thing, I'm going to like still put my hair down. And like I would use like gel or something, but I'm not going to put gel in my hair right now. But to get your hair like the most sleek you want it to be, I would use some sort of gel that you have, but this one, you see how I'm pulling it a little more tight, and it's going to be a little more up on your head. So I'm going to put it so something along the lines of this. Super, make sure like your ponytail is nice and straight, and like I said, you would just go in and smooth this out, and you could plump this up a little bit like this. Super classy looking. If you need to look a little bit classy but you want your hair out of the way, this is something to do. Super cute and simple. Like I said, even like this is cute even for school, like a quick little hair, like all of these are like multi-purpose like hairstyles, which is why I love them so much. So this is just another one. And then my next one, I don't really do high buns with my straight hair. It's easier for me on my curly hair for some reason, because since my hair is like when it's straight, it's super like obviously smooth and everything because it's straight. I feel like it falls out all the time. But I do sometimes like a medium bun. I'll show you what I mean. It's not like super high. So this next bun is like, I don't even know how to describe it, but I just take my fingers like this. I put my hair like in the back, and it kind of gives you like a little bit of like a, I don't know how to describe it, but kind of like when I did my ponytail. So like it kind of like gives your hair, like instead of being pulled tight, you let loose a little bit. And so you do this, and it gives you just like a little bit of, I don't know, not volume, but like, I don't know, but you guys see what I'm talking about. Like it pushes it up a little bit. It's not all flat. And I bring it up to about here, and then I go in and I try to like do some sort of messy-ish bun. It doesn't have to be like the most perfect bun, but this look is also really cute and simple. just like a cute little bun. If you're going out really quickly, you just want to toss your hair up in a bun for school, for class. This look is really cute, really effortless, and yeah. Alright, and then the next bun is like my favorite. I love low buns. Low, little, cute, messy buns are the best, and they're so easy. So it's gonna be super quick. So I just take my hands, I don't put it like directly like around my ears. I kind of just leave it super messily, and then I just grab hair. I don't even do like perfectly like little circles. I just leave it how it is, and then you could pull out hair, or like this hair is already out. I love this look. Super quick, easy, like with this outfit. Even today going to school right after this, just throw the hair up in a little bun. The top is not perfect, that's the whole point. So this is my little messy bun. Alright, and honestly I think that was the last one, because everything else I covered. Also, you could do like a super sleek bun. That's actually the last one. So like how we did this super sleek ponytail, so you want to get like all your hair evenly with like the part that you like to do. I almost forgot this one. I only do this one sometimes. I usually do this when my hair is curly for some reason, if like I can't get a good look. This is kind of like the easy way out. And so for this one, you actually want to do, I like to do twists. So I twist my hair because my hair is getting long. Before, when it's shorter, it's easier to just like throw it up, but so I twist it and put it. And usually, like if these pieces aren't staying, you could add bobby pins if you'd like. So I like this look. It's also super classy. That is the finished look. So that is it for my hairstyles video. Like I said, these are so like easy to mix with any occasion that you're going for, whether it's school, work, going out, you know, literally anything. These are just like super easy. And like I said, right now my hair is straight, so it's super easy to do with these looks. But you can also add curls with a curling iron if your hair is naturally curly like mine. You could do these. They're all super easy. But like I said, like obviously, like if I was doing the sleek looks, some of the products that I use for that, I don't like to go too heavy on like gel and stuff, but I like to also use just like hairspray. Helps a lot, especially when you want that sleek look. Just like a little bit of hairspray and then just like brush it down. I use a different one, but we actually ran out. This is the Finesse Extra Hold Hairspray. It's just what it looks like. We also have some gel that I use. This one, the Garnier Fructis Style Controlling Gel. This one, it's like called Curl Scrunch, but I just use it to like flatten on my hair also. It works perfectly fine. So those are just some products that I use to help me achieve those looks if my hair was curly, but since it's straight, it's a little more easier to bear with. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I actually enjoyed doing those different hairstyles. It gets me like inspired to actually, you know, wear them like consistently, and like I want to wear my hair like all of those in the next couple of days, just because I love them so much and it reminded me of just how much I like them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my other uploads, and I will see you guys in my next video.